displayed to the drivers. Down to 8 laps to go. Michael Norris in the 17, Jay Peffin in the 43, Travis Majuri in the 37, Tim Norris in the 88, Emma Norris in the 28. Looking for the green. The car that's got to come out of the corner in first, the 17 of Michael Norris. He does it. Michael Norris in 17 leads it. Majuri putting the heat on. Michael Norris.
Welcome to another update on our racers. I hope to get out this past weekend to Merrittville Speedway to catch Chris and Pete racing, but some things changed for us and we never made it out there. But as you see, there was some excitement going on at Sauble Beach Speedway there with Travis, and I'm going to insert the full-length video of that race. That is definitely a race to watch. And I want to thank Pedal Power 51. I appreciate the use of the videos, and she does a great job out there with her videos. So anyway, so let's go on to the faux pas. So Pete's been having his issues, and as he finally started to get the car sorted out, he had this happen in the feature on Saturday, and I had to message him and ask him what the heck was going on and where he was at feature time in the evening, and he told me that he wound up with a tranny leak, which caused a fire underneath the car during the heat, and he went out for the parade lap before the feature, and the car was coughing and sputtering, and he ran back into the pits, and another race team helped him out and found they had knocked a plug wire off the engine while they were working on the transmission leak, and anyways, they got the plug wire back on and got him moving again, but as you can see, he came out quite late. Pete was sitting 6th in the points going into the night, and due to a little bit of shuffle with a car ahead of him in the points that finished further behind, he wound up actually moving up one position in the points race now, so Pete's in 5th. Chris had a bit of a tougher night. He started a little ways back in the field, and he was pretty much caught up by traffic for the most part. Saturday night they had a really slick track, so there wasn't a lot of race lines to compete on. But most of all, I guess we could say Chris is still holding on to first place in the points in the Mod Lights. So way to go, Chris. That's working out really good so far, and I'm sure coming up this week you're going to have a really good run, which, by the way, I hope to be at. So it'd be a good time to lay down a nice checkers or something. So okay, and on to Travis, who was having nothing but so many problems starting this season out. Going into Saturday night, he was in 9th place in the points. They haven't updated their points, so I don't know where he wound up, but for sure I know this will move him up in the points. And he laid down one heck of a run in the first feature. I won't tell you how it ends, but his second feature he finished 7th, so sitting 9th, a 7th place plus this other race is going to move him up considerably in the points. So I want to give him a congratulations, and I also want to let Joe Alberton know thanks so much for the use of the videos from Merrittville Speedway as well. So that's kind of our update, and I hope to be in the pits on Saturday night at Merrittville, and still planning a trip up to Flamborough Speedway August 8th to catch one of Travis's races. But I'll leave you with Travis's race. I gotta tell you, that kid can drive. Well, all our drivers can drive, that's for sure. But he sure put on a show on Saturday night at Sauble Beach. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
25 lap features for the Ontario Pro Challenge. They were here back in June, their second appearance at Sauble this year. And starting on the pole, the 51, that's Mike O'Connell. Mike O'Connell in the 51 car. Outside pole position, the 43 is Jay Pepin for Peps Pro Painting. Back through the field we go. We have got the 17 of Michael Norris. Mike's out of Dundas in the Ford Taurus for Tirecraft. 28 is next. That's Emma Norris out of Dundas for Brian's Farm Equipment, Norheat, Quick, and Wash Meadows. Back through the field we go with our next driver, the 42 of Ethan Fleet. Ethan Fleet in the Monte Carlo for Tyco RB, Topa Construction, and Katie's Bearings. Number 88, that is a car to keep your eye on. This guy generally comes out here and can dominate a race. That is Tim Norris out of Dundas for Levitt Machinery and Material Handling and Dundas Tirecraft. Back through the field we go. Number 8 is Sterling Hatton. Then we got the 19 of Colton Clark, the 37 of Travis Majuri, and the 29, Mike Gilmore. I think they call Mike Happy Gilmore. Then we got the 11 of Maddox Pepin, and the number 14, his first time ever here at Sauble, that is Blake Deere. White flag is out. Next time by, we'll be racing and off to go a feature event for 25 laps.
These cars are super quick, a little smaller, 3/4 scale to the full-size late models you're going to see a little bit later tonight. But the horsepower to weight ratio of a NASCAR. So when it's time to hit the gas pedal, you better be pointed in the right direction. And right about now, it's time to point them in the right direction.
Green is out and we're racing here at Sauble Speedway on an overcast Saturday night with the 51 of Michael Conwell front being challenged right now by the 17 of Mike Norris. Mike Norris gets on the inside. And it'll be a toss-up. He leads lap 1. It's going to be Mike Norris. Norris, your leader, the 51 of O'Connell in second. In third spot, it's Jay Pepin in the 43. Here comes the 28 of Emma Norris. Emma Norris is on the move right now, up the third spot. 2 laps in the books. The 17, Mike Norris out front in second. 51, Mike O'Connell. A battle for third spot right now. Jay Pepin and Emma Norris. Here comes Tim Norris in the 88. Then we've got the 37 of Travis Majuri coming into the picture right now. Followed by the 42 of Ethan Fleet and the number 8 of Sterling Haddon. But up front right now, 17, Michael Norris continues to lead it. Michael Norris out front in second. 51 of Michael Connell, then Jay Pepin in 43. Then it's a battle with Tim Norris in 88 and Travis Majuri in 37. Emma Norris is there in the 28. 5 laps complete, 20 laps to go. 17 out front, your race leader, Michael Norris. Second place, Michael Connell in 51, then 43 of Jay Pepin. 88, Tim Norris trying to move towards the front here. 37 is Travis Majuri. He rounds out your top 5. In 6 is the 28 of Emma Norris and the number 8 of Sterling Hatton. But up front after 7 complete, the 17 of Michael Norris is your leader. It's Mike Norris out front, 51, Michael Connell in second, then the 43 of Jay Pepin in third. Travis Majuri is fourth and Tim Norris is in fifth. Then Emma Norris in the number 28 is in 6th spot, followed by the number 8 of Sterling Hatton. 42 Ethan Fleet, Maddox Pepin, Colton Clark, Blake Deere, and Happy Gilmore round out the field. It's going to get interesting behind the 17 of Michael Norris. We have got the 43 car, feels the heat there, Jay Pepin, feels the heat of Travis Majuri. Majuri in third spot, then 88 Tim Norris and 28 of Emma Norris. Sterling Hatton putting the pressure on Emma Norris right now. We have got a freight train going down the back straightaway. 17, Michael Norris. A good, strong lead right now ahead of the 43 of Jay Pepin. Travis Majuri in the number 37 in third spot. Then Tim Norris in the 88, who has owned Sawville Speedway over the last many years. He has been a very dominant car. Right now sitting back in fourth position. 12 laps in the books. Next time by, we're halfway. 17 out front, your race leader, Michael Norris. 13 down, 12 to go. Your leader, Michael Norris. Second spot, we have got the 43 car. Jay Pepin about to be challenged by Travis Majuri in that 37. Tim Norris is in fourth, Emma Norris in fifth, and Sterling Hatton in sixth position. 14 laps in the book, 11 to go. 17 out front leading. That is Michael Norris. Michael Norris, his lead is evaporating right now. Michael Norris out front. Then the 43 of Jay Pepin. In third spot, Travis Majuri. Majuri tries to sneak up. Sir, please stand back from the fence. Back from the fence, please. 17, Michael Norris out front. In second, the 43 car of Jay Pepin. Travis Majuri right there. Looks to the inside, but can't do it. No room to go. 8 laps to go now. Michael Norris, your leader. 43 in second. Jay Pepin, 37 of Travis Majuri. Looks to the inside. Then he backs off. He'll try again as the 43 of Pepin not leaving Majuri any space to get in there. 17, Mike Norris continues to lead this one. 43 Pepin in second. Majuri looks to the inside again. And we got caution on the track. Caution on the track on the back straightaway.
Should these auto-transforming glasses be made illegal in Canada? All glasses have this tiny flaw, but we fixed it. You see, the lenses inside prescription glasses all have fixed
Gonna get the white flag the next time by. This is gonna be a sprint to the end in this one. Little windy up here. We got kind of a wind, really going across track now. So not gonna affect the cars. If we get a down the straightaway wind, you can really feel it in these cars.
White flag displayed to the drivers. Down to 8 laps to go. Michael Norris in the 17. Jay Pepin in the 43. Travis Majuri in the 37. Tim Norris in the 88. Emma Norris in the 28. Looking for the green. The car that's got to come out of the corner in first, the 17 of Michael Norris. He does it. Michael Norris in 17 leads it. Majuri putting the heat on. Michael Norris. 17 Michael Norris with the lead. The 37 of Travis Majuri gets on the inside. Majuri about to take the lead. And it's going to be Michael Norris that'll lead at the line. Majuri comes right back out. Majuri in the 37 out front. Michael Norris in 17 in second. 43 Jay Pepin in third. It will be Travis Majuri that leads lap number 19. Travis Majuri now the 43 of Jay Pepin in the 17 of Michael Norris. 88 Tim Norris and 28 Emma Norris. They're moving up. We're down to 5 to go. 5 laps to go. Travis Majuri out front in second. Jay Pepin in third. Michael Norris. Then we got Norris and Norris. 17 Michael Norris is third, and fourth it is Emma Norris. And then we've got the 88 of Tim Norris. Tim Norris the dad, then 28 of Emma Norris and 17 of Michael Norris the kids. And right now they battle it out on the racetrack. 37 leads it. Travis Majuri. We're down to 3 to go. Travis Majuri out front. Jay Pepin in second. Michael Norris in third. His sister Emma Norris right there in the 28. Then Tim Norris. And then the 11 of Maddox Pepin. We're down to 2 to go. 2 remaining. 37 37 out front, your race leader, Travis Majuri. Jay Pepin in second, Michael Norris in third. White flag is out. There's one lap to go. One remaining. One to go. It is 37, Travis Majuri, your race leader, going down the back chute. Pepin in second, Emma Norris in third. Into 3 out of 4 down the front for the checkered flag. The 37, Travis Majuri wins it. Jay Pepin for second, Emma Norris for third, Michael Norris for fourth, followed by Maddox Pepin, Blake Neer, Sterling Hatton, Tim Norris, Ethan Fleet, Colton Clark, Michael Connell, and Happy Gilmore. What a race and what a win for the 37 of Travis Majuri. Travis is driving the Pontiac for Marty's Auto Repair, Tim's Auto Spa, and BTN Custom Prints. Dave Middleton is trackside to get a word with our winner. Dave?
Well, I told you that was going to be a tight race all the way through, especially when you get that late caution with 5 to go. Come on over here, Travis. Come on over here. What are you running for? Excellent. You got people who would vote for you. Hey, congrats. Big part of that one, restart. You had a good restart.
That saved me. If it wasn't for that restart, I would not have caught the 17, that's for sure.
But this division is really all about tight racing. It doesn't matter where you were. Like, there were 2 cars that really weren't on pace in this race, but the rest of you, it was anybody at any time for any position.
Yeah, they make these cars really close, so it's really a driver's game at that point.
You want to talk a little bit about your sponsors? Who do you need to say thanks to?
I got to thank my dad and Papa, and Marty's Auto Repair, that's my dad, Napa Auto Parts, and Hot Cars and Cool Tools YouTube channel.
All right. You got to go back and get ready. You got another feature.
Yes, we do.
All right. Go get it.